Hello, it's Art from Joy. My plan is to paint my very first celebrity for this channel, and I chose Johnny Depp. I already practiced drawing Johnny Depp days ago, but here comes YouTube recommending to me SB19's new song called 8TonBall. The thumbnail was a mountain, a black and white mountain. I wasn't expecting any graphic because it says lyric video. Okay, I clicked it, the video played, then someone was there. I thought this was just a lyric video. Then he appeared again, and this time, close up and half body shot. I hit pause and I was like, what am I looking at? Is this Stell? Took me time to process. He looked amazing. Like, wow. I suddenly want to paint him. So I stopped the video and started painting. I didn't even finish the video. I'm so new to painting real people, so it's almost like guesswork. And I don't have a solid method yet to share. But what I can tell you is how I figured this out. So when I started this painting, it was a pencil drawing first, but it was so dark and it's almost 6 p.m. when I was sketching. I can barely see the pencil lines, so I skipped the pencil part and went straight to painting. My goal on the first hour working on this painting was to make sure Stell fits in the canvas. After making sure that everything fits, I slowly added details. You will notice me going back and forth to the eyes, nose, and the lip area until the very end because I was correcting over and over until I got them at least recognizable. I lost count how many times I corrected myself. The improvements at the end was mostly lighting and cleanup.